Hi everyone, I'm Shiny. Welcome to School of Gardening. And here is a beautiful guest, a surprise visit from him. And he was really hungry and very thirst. I gave him few grapes and water, and it's almost 3 to 4 hours and it is still not leaving me. This is the best moment of my life. I really want to share it with you. Note, this is not my pet. Isn't it beautiful and wonderful feeling when a random parrot comes near you and it stays with you, and that is the best moment of my life. I never saw this close. And just look. Camera. Look at the camera. And he's sleepy. And he slept. This is the best moment of my life. Pumpy Chaka.